electric shadows that get smoke. Heavy rhythms, every beat evokes iron hearts and metal souls, grinding gears in empty rolls. I feel the static in my veins, a circus surge I can't contain. Lost in echoes, lost in noise, synthetic screams and digital voice. Static pop, yeah, it's all I hear, pulling me close, drowning out the fear. In the dark where the shadows collide, I'm alive in the noise, electrified. I'm breaking the beat, a taste of the void. The silence screams, the silence destroyed. Twisted wires and flashing lights, no escape, locked in the night. I'm part machine, I'm part alive, built to bleed, built to survive. The bassline slams like a weapon's fire, pounding hard, rising higher. I'm on the edge, I'm on the brink. One more step and I won't think. Static pop, yeah, it's all I hear, pulling me close, drowning out the fear. In the dark where the shadows collide, I'm alive in the noise, electrified. I'm breaking the beat, a taste of the void. The silence screams, the silence destroyed. Voids of red, guiding me down paths I fled. Every shock, every crack keeps pulling me in, no turning back. Voids of red, ghosts in the system, echoes of me, lost in a world of static debris. Every hit, every break draws me deeper, wide awake. Wide awake, the night is a beast, it devours whole. In the pulse of the dark, I find my role, riding the sound, lost in the grind, leaving my fears and my past behind. Static pop, yeah, it's all I hear, pulling me close, drowning out the fear. In the dark where the shadows collide, I'm alive in the noise, electrified. I'm breaking the beat, a taste of the void. The silence screams, the silence destroyed. Pulse, I am the noise, a creature of steel, stripped of choice. In the static storm, my senses align. In the chaos, I find my design.